Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Manu Issue ACCA Classes. So in this video, we will be learning about the fuel benefit concept. Till in previous video, I had covered the car benefit. In case you have been missed out my previous video, you can access it from the playlist available on my YouTube channel, or the link of the same will be blinked over your screen. You can access the same from there as well. So if you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends so that they could also have a benefit, right? So from previous video, I have been started the non-cash benefit which are given to the employee by employer and how to calculate those benefit. Okay, so what are those? As I mentioned in my previous video as well, these are car benefit, fuel benefit, van benefit, loan benefit, uses benefit, accommodation benefit, gift benefit. In coming up video, we will cover the rest of the topic, and in today's video, we are going to cover the fuel benefit one. So basically, if the employer provides fuel to the employee for private use, then the fuel benefit will obviously rise. And how we will calculate it? We will calculate the same using the formula, and formula is base figure into the CO2 percentage. So now let's talk about the how to calculate base figure and CO2 percentage. As in case of the car benefit, we learned about that first of all we need to identify whether the car was given from the car pool or not. If not, then the no taxable benefit will arise. But I'm sorry, if car is given from the car pool, then the taxable benefit will not arise. But if not from the car pool, in that case benefit will arise. And we had learned how to calculate the car benefit, okay, in case of rented and in case of purchased car. Okay, so basically the base figure for the required for the fuel benefit is fixed, and which is 27,800 pound. It will be provided on the sheet given to you in the exam, so no need to mug up this figure basically. And regarding the CO2 percentage, it is the same as we did for the car benefit. Right, and what we learn in the car benefit? So in car benefit, first we need to identify whether it's a petrol one or it's a diesel one. And in case of diesel, we need to determine whether it's meet RDE2 standard or not. If it meet the RDE2 standard, then it will be same as of the petrol car. But if not, then in that case, we will take additional 4% from the petrol one. Okay, so like if the CO2 emission is between 51 to 54 gram, in that case percentage is 15% for the petrol car and as well as diesel car that meet the RDE2 standard. But if it is a diesel car that do not meet the RDE2 standard, in that case we will take additional 4%, means it will be 19%. Right. If the CO2 emission gram is 55 gram per kilometer, then for the petrol and the diesel car that meet RDE2 standard is 16%. But in case of diesel car that do not meet the RDE2 standard, in that case it will be 20%. Right, we have covered all this thing in the previous my video. In case you have been missed out, go and check it out. It's available on the playlist and at the free of the cost. Right, okay, so we have done with the CO2 percentage and the base figure. Multiplying these two, we will get our fuel benefit. Right, but one thing that you need to remember, and it's tricky one, and where we did a mistake in the exam. If employee reimburse, if employee is paying back to the employer whatever the cost provided by employer to the employee, and employee is giving it back, means reimbursing to the employer the fuel cost, then the no fuel benefit will arise. But if employee is partially reimbursing those fuel cost, partially or not at all, in that case it will be taxable obviously. But if the employee is partially reimbursing, in the same in that case it will full fuel benefit will arise. Right. So what you need to remember is, if employee reimburses the full fuel cost to employer, then no fuel benefit will arise. However, full fuel benefit will arise if employer reimburse partially the fuel cost to employer or not at all. right? But one more thing, fuel benefit will be reduced if not available for the whole year. Right. So this is all for the fuel benefit. In the coming up video, we will be covering about the van benefit. Till that, please stay with my channel and hit the subscribe button and as well as bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I will upload the video. And one more thing I would like to say, if you want this of the notes, you can find it over the Quora, and you can just go over the Google, type the Manu issue UK taxation Quora. You will find out this my page where I have been added all the notes till we covered till that we had covered, and I will be adding much more in the coming future. So stay tuned with the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.